Porky Beans. Ethereum Classic is going to rally time. It's going to the moon. We're not waiting on anybody. It's going to the moon, guys. What is good, guys? Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory. It's me, Ethereum Classic. Guys, thinking about changing my name to Ethereum Classic, literally. Going through the court system, doing all the changes, all the modifications, maybe even switching up the spelling. So guys, we're waiting for you to get down here. If you're down here already, thank you for already being here. Never expect me to be on time, guys, because I'm always constructing the best way to perform the show. So we're expecting MegaPump, guys. We're going to be talking about Ethereum Classic. Just getting here in the chat. People are probably going to run down here because I think Ethereum Classic, I'm bullish, guys. I'm incredibly, this coin I think is, holy fuck, it's going down now. Okay. Guys, my point is here, we're actually going to be bringing back, we're going to be bringing back a little bit of TA on the show, guys. Obviously, it's not going to be one of those shows where I'm sitting here drawing out a whole bunch of stuff. But we will be looking at log graphs, and we will be looking at some of the price movements as these things are moving a little bit more than we would normally look, right? So, guys, first, if you're not subscribed to the channel and you're checking out Ethereum Classic, it was just rising. Now it looks to be going back up now that I'm on here on the show. But yeah, guys, we're never giving you financial advice. We're just messing around here. So, just keep in mind that, I can't ever guarantee the price is going up. I just think the price is going up right now. That's kind of what we're looking at. So, honestly, guys, I think what we're looking at too is maybe just an overall general pump on Robinhood coins. I know that's kind of general. I mean, there's a ton of coins on there now, but we've already seen recently a lot of them already go up. And I think Ethereum Classic's kind of on that list to go up here relatively soon, I would say. I mean, if it falls in line with the other coins that have been going up, really, this is one of the main coins, guys, that I think people are forgetting about. This is really one of the main coins that is, it's being forgotten, and it's going to wake back up here, guys. I'm not saying like everybody forgot about it. I'm just saying like, this isn't a hot coin on the radar for most people anymore, guys, other than the people watching this channel. So, if you're just getting into crypto, guys, we recommend looking at some of these things. Again, I'm never giving you financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion. I think it's going to go up. I think we're going to see a major spike in some of these these coins listed on Robinhood, because it's just so easy for people to get them, guys. I mean, it's so easy to pile in. And when we start looking at the log graph, we see that it actually has quite a bit of room to go. It actually has quite a bit of room to climb up. That really wouldn't be too high. Like $155, could happen relatively quick, guys, and that's 500%. I mean, we're talking about, not many things do 500% that all of a sudden. You know what I'm saying? So we got to be mindful of that, guys. We also got to be mindful of the Ethereum as well, ETH, not only ETC, guys. We're just looking for, maybe a little bit of opportunity in some of the Ethereum Classic coins, and obviously watch Ethereum at the same time. I mean, we're not saying one is better than the other here, guys. I mean, I don't care what you guys hold. I support whoever holds Ethereum Classic. If you hold both of them, great. It's badass. You actually have something badass that I wish I had. So, I must concur. It's been damn easy piling a bailout of a coin. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. I mean, we look at the last week. All right, we saw Uniswap, we saw fucking Dogecoin, we saw Bitcoin Cash, we saw SHIB, we saw pretty much a majority of the coins that are on there go up pretty relatively quick. I mean, it's been a pretty good pretty good run, and Ethereum Classic looks to be, we're getting, again, not a technical analysis, guys. This obviously the graph could change, but when we start looking at it on the log graph, we can see that the momentum's picking up. I mean, we've been getting, this looks bullish to me, guys. I don't know about you. So drop it in the chat, guys. I think that you are right, Eric. I think that there is a lot of opportunity, guys, in these coins. So, not really too much of a thing past that, guys. I did want to tell you guys, I do see opportunity as well. And some of these stocks I'm holding too, they're starting to pan out for me. So We're starting to see, so we got this built-in discount on Ethereum Classic Grayscale, guys. I don't know if you guys are following this stuff too. If you're not, cool, but if you are, cool too. You know, I mean, you don't have to follow every single thing. Most people are just holding Ethereum Classic, but I am holding some of this, and I really do expect these premiums to really kick in here since they're trading at a discount right now. So I believe it's let's look at the Grayscale. You know, maybe it'd help if I actually had the screen up for you guys. So give me just a second here. We're gonna go back to what I should be doing, which is giving you guys what you need to know. So the math on this, guys, is breaking down at a major discount right now. All right, I'm just letting you know the ETCG stock is trading at a discount. I think it should be trading around $20. I don't have a calculator right in front of me, but that's pretty much what it is, right? So you know, if you guys are looking at these, I would expect tomorrow, guys, if Ethereum Classic goes up, this is going to go up to $20 relatively quick. So expect these discounts to vanish. They're gonna go into premium mode, and this is a great stock to look at, guys, because it's really following Ethereum Classic. It's gonna explode. I'm telling you, this stock is gonna go super high, and obviously we're talking about crypto, but this is something I'm involved in. So you know, this is kind of my exit strategy, guys, is dump these Grayscale stocks. You know, I'm gonna keep some money, obviously, in my brokerage account, guys. I trade stocks now and again, but for the most part, these are getting dumped, guys, and these are gonna be dumped at a premium, I would say. You know, not likely am I gonna. It's not gonna be at a discount likely for ongoing periods of time. So remember we told you last week, guys. I told you guys like a week or two ago, traders on BCHG, on Bitcoin Cash Grayscale, are putting the price of Bitcoin Cash a lot higher. And look what happened. The price of Bitcoin Cash went a lot higher. So it's the same thing with these. This is on the kind of the reverse side. These are trading at a discount. I expect ETCG to continue to go up and for that discount to become less of a discount and more of a premium here pretty shortly. As well as I think Ethereum Classic is going to go up as well. Obviously, that would be the driving point that would push this stock higher, right? Is the actual native token Ethereum Classic. So, you know, again, guys, it's not a. I don't have any of the crystal. I don't have a crystal ball here, obviously. But if we look at the chart on Ethereum Classic, I mean, you talk about a bullish chart. You know, if we look at linear, I think people are really missing what's going on. When we look at log, we see this thing picking up. I mean, it's you know, it's all-time highs on Ethereum Classic, guys, are not going to be out of reach. I expect this coin to really go up. I would say Ethereum Classic. I would put Ethereum Classic probably at around maybe even up to $1,000, guys. I know that sounds a bit much, but you know, I'm not saying it's going to go up there forever. I'm not saying it's not going to exceed that. I'm just saying that you know, Ethereum ETH is already crossing 3,500 right now. I mean. So I've seen some of these coins, you know, people say, oh, well, you know, the Ethereum Classic community is dead or whatever, but that's a load of shit, guys. That's a load of crap. Because I bet you when this coin goes back up over $200, I bet you people start piling in. It's only at $30 right now, $33. So, you know, it goes up 7x, then people be like, oh fuck, you know, I want to buy this coin now that it's at $200. I would buy ETC, guys. The thing is I don't have any money to buy any crypto right now. So it's unrealistic for me to say and lie to you guys and say, hey, you know, I'm going in on all these coins. I'm barely getting by, guys. I mean, this channel is, you know, we're not rolling in the dough here, guys. I mean, we're you know, I don't want to share my finances, but you know, basically this channel is not raking in the dough. You know, it's not performing up to what it needs to be, but obviously, you know, we're following these prices pretty close, so we can't just rule it out. All right, that's all I'm saying. I can't rule out coins that I would be buying if I had the capital to go into these coins with dollars, right? Ethereum Classic, fucking Bitcoin Cash, all the ones we talk about, guys. I pile in these coins every time I get paid. So you know, it hasn't been that fruitful recently. You know, I've been buying coins here and there, but you know, it's not any solid. Consistent purchases, right? I've been consistent in everything, but basically crypto, because I mean the reality is, guys, is fucking costs go up. You know, you got a lot of costs. It's, you know, if I go to McDonald's now, I'm spending double. If I go to fucking the grocery store now, I'm spending double. So I have less and less to go into crypto. And guys, I've been in the fucking, you got to think about what I'm doing too. It's taken me years to build my crypto wealth. All right. So my crypto wealth is not something that I'm just going to, you know, I'm not going to start gambling on my wealth. I'll gamble with some of these fucking stocks. You know, I'll have to gamble with something, but as far as my native cryptos, guys, it's going to be hard for me to say I wouldn't pile in Ethereum Classic, even at $200. All right. You know, that's 7x. So I'm in the real estate business, Mr. Full, and you know, it hasn't been super fruitful. You know, we're in the YouTube business too, guys. We're in the entertainment business, but like I said, this channel is not, you know, this channel is not breaking in the dough by any means. So I've been contacted by YouTube guys. I mean, I could start a membership thing and have you guys, you know, can you imagine this channel wanting me to ask you guys for $5.99 a month? You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do all that. So we're about to get going here on this crypto stuff. Obviously, guys, the prices are picking up. So, you know, I'll do whatever I have to do to keep these cryptos, guys. I'm not going to, you know, I'm not going to go belly up and, you know, spend all my crypto because I have to fucking, you know, feel like I got to eat filet mignon every night. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm still in the real estate game. I've been cracking at it, you know, a little bit each week. There's not a lot going on in it, honestly. You know, if you don't have a big network of people, it's really hard to network with people when the market's going down like this. But I've still been going through all the, you know, I still make phone calls and you know, prospecting and all that stuff. That hasn't stopped, but it just hasn't been that easy prospecting. You know, I haven't sold a place in over a year. So, you know, doing a little stuff here and there, guys, making money here and there, doing whatever I can to earn a dollar. But, you know, at the end of the day, guys, you know, I'm a crypto dude. So, you know, expect me to be on YouTube full time, all the time, guys, because the idea is to build out this channel as best as I can. You know, it's going to be the best attempt that I can. So looking at Ethereum Classic, guys, you know, it's definitely doing the best attempt it can in terms of these prices, because like I said, when you look at the log chart, guys, it just really gives you a more clear picture of what's going on here. You know, we've looked at other coins like this. You know, we've looked at other coins and compared coins to market shifts and, you know, that kind of thing. Let's see if we can pull up. I'm going to pull up Dash cryptocurrency if Yahoo will let me, but it doesn't look like I can. I'm not going to give up right this second because sometimes it comes up. Yep, see, there it is. Boom. So, again, guys, we don't have a crystal ball, but we do have knowledge, right? We do have knowledge of you know, what's going on here, and you see me switching that, obviously. There's a reason I'm doing that, guys, because we don't like to give you an idea of things that aren't realistic, but if we start looking at some of this stuff, you know, what is this? Dash? Oh, it's only giving me Dash to 2017. Uh-oh. Well, that's not really fair because we don't get to see back here. So we're going to scratch that idea. We'll go back over here, though. Give you an idea of what's going on. There's a lot of people rule a lot of these coins out, guys, but a lot of these coins were created in 2018, 2017 at the end. So it's hard to really rationalize to someone like you're missing the other side of what we're talking about here, right? So, I mean, guys, what are we doing here? Let's go to you know what I was going to do? I was going to show you, I know I'm all over the place, guys. I was going to show you Dash versus Bitcoin. Let's see if that'll come up. There we go. It's actually what I wanted to look at, but this doesn't really paint us a good picture either because most of the altcoins, guys, look like this that we're talking about on the channel. Have you noticed? You know, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, they all kind of look like this if we compare them against BTC instead of dollars. So they all look like this. But what is misleading here, guys, is Dash has obviously been around a lot longer than 2017. All right. I don't have the exact date Dash was created, but I think it was a few years prior to this. So just give you an update here. Yeah, 2000, what is this? 2014, maybe 2013, maybe even. So I don't know the exact inception date on Dash. It doesn't create, here it is, 1/19/14. So 10 years ago, all right? So we look at this coin, and again, obviously we're not getting the full story because if we look here, BTC against Dash, all we're getting is this. That's the only version we're getting. If you go to YouTube, you go look at some of these other things, but really Dash has been around, guys, for 10 years. So why is this being ignored? I'm not saying, you know, why is that being ignored? So again, guys, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't guarantee anything, but what I can guarantee, guys, is I think these prices are going to go up. Okay, just very simple. I think these prices are going to go up on a lot of different coins, and I can't be more clear about that. So if you guys are sitting on the fence, scratching your fucking head, wondering what I'm talking about, look at the charts yourself and ask yourself if they're in buy zones. 30% of the market cap of the entire crypto market cap exists in these altcoins that we're talking about. All right, the altcoin market, guys, is only 30% of the entire cryptocurrency market. All right, Bitcoin is half the market. Ethereum is another almost 20% of that market. So we are a small. I want you guys to understand that these market caps on some of these coins are very small. That's all I want you to get out of this. Is Ethereum Classic's market cap is 5 billion. Okay, it has a cap supply. It's got mining. It's got different stuff than ETH now, Ethereum, because it's a different network now, guys. It's actually the original network, but what I'm saying is that it's these coins have progressed as time has gone forward. That's what we have to realize, that these coins are not just coins that have been around for fucking, a year and a half or, even just a few years. We're talking about coins that have been over 10 years old, guys. So these coins and also are doing ongoingly well throughout the periods of crypto. You call them booms and busts, but you could just call them the overall market. They've done really, really well. So it would be dumb, I think, to ignore these coins, guys, because most of the internet most people aren't talking about, any of these coins that we're talking about on the channel, because they're assuming these coins are dead, and they might be dead, but that's not reflected in the price, right? We've seen some of these coins up till recently become the worst performers in the entire crypto market. If we look at just the last couple weeks, guys, just since the start of the year, we've seen a lot of crazy shit in crypto. All right, we've seen privacy coins, Monero, Zcash, Dash lose a lot of market cap. All right, they're now like, I don't know what Zcash is at. We looked at it the other day. We have some of these coins under $1 billion, guys, under $1 billion. So it is inevitable that even if I just keep buying these coins, I'm being a little kidding here, right? But if the same community keeps buying these coins and there's less and less available to buy, and we're still using them, guys. I mean, fuck, we're still spending them. We're still providing, liquidity, right? What is the driving force that would keep these prices from going up? I ask you. You got to really, look, FIRO. Where did that come from, Mr. Full? FIRO, that's what I'm saying. So the reason we're looking at this stuff, guys, is because they've been around so long. That is why. And they're also mineable. And you got to remember that. They're also mineable. So, most people would run from this, guys, but this is actually opportunity, guys. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to see, is that some of these big gainers, if we look at them at dollars, we look at them on Bitcoin, I'm telling you guys, these coins can run incredibly fast. All right, so this is FIRO. This is formerly Zcoin. So you guys might not know anything about what we're talking about here, and it really doesn't matter, but you can go back and learn later on. We're giving you the coins on the channel, guys. That's what we're giving you. We're providing you the coins on the channel every time we get on here, and it doesn't change. You'll notice there's never a change in the coins we talk about. There might occasionally be one or two that we talk about that are new. Like, what have I talked about new in the last year, guys? Caspa, maybe Uniswap a little bit. But to be fair, guys, these coins have been around. Uniswap's been around for fucking quite a while at this point. So we don't really change the coins that we're talking about. I was talking about Zcoin back before FIRO, guys. So, we're actually seeing Zcoin. This is the same coin, guys, but just stay focused here with me here. We are talking about the same coins ongoingly, guys, because these coins that we're talking about ongoingly are simply, how do I put this? It's impossible for them not to go up. I want you guys to understand that. Like, crypto would have to be literally basically banned everywhere around the world, or at least attempted to be banned everywhere around the world, which wouldn't even be possible for us to get enough negative action for these coins not to go up. Because the coins that we're talking about right here on the channel, guys, they are going to go up based on tokenomics, not based on me giving you guys financial advice. The limited supply and the capped number of these coins and the different mechanics that go behind making these coins work is a natural driving force to increase the asset, whether it's a token of a native blockchain like Ethereum Classic, ETC token, whether it's something like Bitcoin Cash, which is similar to BTC with mining nodes, diminished supply coming into circulation. You guys get it. It's basic economics. If we keep the same thing going that is already currently happening in these projects in terms of people following them, buying them, supporting them, the price will inevitably go up because there is only a certain amount of coins. There is less coins going to be available after these halving events till there is none available until it's going to get to a point, guys, not in our lifetime, that a lot of these coins will have basically miners are only going to get paid for processing transactions, guys. That's what it's going to be, and there will be no other coins coming into circulation unless governments team up to create new coins, which is a threat that a lot of people in the crypto community have talked about, guys, including notable people in the crypto community. I'm not going to say specific names; it doesn't matter. My point is likely not, guys. Likely these networks are going to grow too big and too fast where there's not going to be that threat even existing anymore. We might see that play out differently, but I think that we're safe on that. I don't think that's an issue. So my point is, guys, is if you look at the coins that we're talking about on the channel, it's a bit repetitive, but there's a reason. There's a reason why we're not fucking going and buying fucking Bonko token, or fucking some of these coins that, yeah, they might go up, but they're not going to go up if we're in them. Let's put it that way. If we're in those coins, they're not going to go up. And that might sound like it's not the truth, but for a lot of cases, for a lot of coins, it is, right? So a bit of a rant, but let's jump back here to prices, guys. We were talking about Ethereum Classic. I'm just throwing it out there. I think that the Ethereum Classic Grayscale holding trust, it's trading at a discount right now. So if you guys are in this, I would expect tomorrow for sure, right at market open for ETCG, following this Ethereum Classic spot price is going to start going up. And I would say that if crypto prices continue to go up, even in the short term, expect this discount to disappear. Simply because this was one of the better performing Grayscale assets last bull run. And we've seen this was one of the first ones as well, and one of their largest holding, I believe. I think somebody told me that. I'm not exactly sure on that last part, but somebody told me that this is one of their bigger holdings. So, and you can find out all this information out, guys. So assets under management, 343 million. So they got a big chunk, guys. I mean, in terms of like one bag holder, right? Because the Ethereum Classic market cap is only 4.32 billion. It might be a little higher. It's probably closer to 5 billion because we're on World Coin Index. It's probably missing something, but nonetheless, guys, that's a pretty good amount for like one person to control, right? And this was like one of the reasons I think that we traded so fast, so high, and very aggressively last bull run on ETCG. This was my best performing. If I look at dollar amounts, guys, out of any native crypto I hold, out of any stock that I hold, this was my best performing dollar amount gain in 2021. So it actually wasn't in native crypto. It was actually on ETCG that I got this gain. Not that it matters, just if you guys are curious, you know what I mean? Individual coins are finite, but they're practically infinite. All coins for people to put money into. I worry that there are too many coins or no limit on the number of new tokens that can be made. Well, the thing, Eric, you got to remember is there's only a certain amount of Ethereum Classic coins. I don't have the exact number for you, but I think it's around 230 million, 237 million cap supply. So some coins do have a limited supply, just like BTC has 21 million, just like BCH has 21 million. That's all there's ever going to be. There's not going to be any more coins. So an infinite supply is going to be infinite, meaning you can have as many as you want. There's no top ceiling to the supply count. But if you have a finite supply, that means at some time, all the coins are going to be in circulation, and all those coins will have value in place in that circulation. They're not going to be any more coins. So the max supply is 210,700,000 on Ethereum Classic. So after those 210 million coins, that's it. There's not going to be any more Ethereum Classic coins unless the network consensus can come to an agreement and mint more coins. But in a lot of cases, I don't think this is going to happen, guys. And I think it'll happen more in proof of stake coins, obviously, because people have voting rights. People are running a node. They're taking part in the network, so they have the ability to vet these these ideas into existence. But as far as these mineable coins, like Bitcoin Cash, like Bitcoin SV, 21 million, guys. That's it. All right. There's a lot of coins that have a certain cutoff supply. There'll never be any more. And that's the coins we're talking about on the channel, guys. So just FYI, you're right. A lot of tokens and a lot of coins don't have cap supplies. Yeah, like if they keep making meme point, I could go, let me tell you guys, I want to tell you how easy it is for me to create a meme coin. If I were a Solana whale or an Ethereum whale or anything, or any of these, if I was a whale, I could literally approach exchanges, pay to get my token listed on an exchange. Boom, I have a meme coin. It's really that easy, guys. You know how I know this? Because I've contacted exchanges. I've sent emails to exchange to see how this stuff works. This isn't me just like guessing at stuff, guys. I've gone through the motions of learning about what it is I'm talking about. So it's very easy to create a meme token. What's not easy is to have the money to put it on an exchange and have an order book to put on multiple exchanges to create liquidity for it. They are crap. Most of them are dog shit. Now, Dogecoin is a meme coin, but Dogecoin's also protected by Litecoin mining. Is also like, there's a lot of things that are different about Dogecoin than every other meme coin. So it's ideas, guys. Like SHIB is an ERC20 token. It's a different type mechanics that is operating the actual circulating supply of the coins. So there's a reason that we're talking about specifics on the channel, because we don't want you guys to get sidetracked into thinking that every meme token is going to go up. That might be the case. Meme tokens might rally. Every AI token, Singularity Net, all these fucking Ajax tokens, maybe these will all go up. But I can't bet my money, which I consider cryptocurrency money, I can't bet my cryptocurrency that these ideas are going to go up. I'm not as enthused about fucking AI and how that relates to a token. I'm not enthused about any of these goofy things, right? They're goofy. I'm not saying AI is not a big fucking thing. I'm saying, what the fuck does that have to do with a token that's in place on an ERC20 talk contract, which, if you understand how these work, you feel less and less confident to even advise somebody to get in on these. So guys, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're hitting home on, because we want you to understand that not every token, not every meme token, not every AI token, not all of them are going to go up if you are in them. Okay? Try to understand that. We want you to get into coins that have a certain number of coins that are ever going to be around, as well as protection mechanisms that are going to keep your crypto essentially intact with value. Because a lot of these coins, guys, are manipulated deployment contracts on Ethereum. That's all they are. It's what Hex was. It's what all these fucking ERC20 token scams are. They're all the fucking same. They're account-based scams. Lockup period, manipulated price dumps. That's all they are. That's all they are. Yeah. Relationship with, I don't know if you're talking about IOTA. IOTA is a fairly big market cap though now. I think it's about $1 billion. But Internet of Things. I remember there was a coin, Internet of Things. I mean, that's what I'm saying, guys. We have to stay in line with what the fuck are we buying, right? What the fuck are we doing? And if we don't know what we're doing, and we don't know what the fuck we're buying, and we don't know why we're buying it, that is a recipe for disaster, guys. All right, absolute disaster. You don't know what you're buying and why you're buying it. You might as well just fucking go down to the casino, guys, and gamble. And I do that, guys. I'm telling you guys, theoretically, there is some risk in this, but if you buy the right coins, you're going to mitigate most of that risk. You're going to mitigate pretty much all of that risk, because there's a certain amount of coins. There's nodes on these coins that are securing the network to make sure all the rules are fulfilled. There is mining. There is incentive for people to take part in the economics behind the coin. And the most interesting part, guys, is the growing demand in the cap supply, the lower diminishing incoming supply from mining. That is why we talk about mineable coins. If they aren't mineable, we're likely not talking about them on the channel. And if you guys know, none of the coins that we talk about ever perform too poorly in the crypto market because they are the technological sound money, guys. That's what you have to realize. They are the coins that we talk about on this channel, which is about 10 coins, are the closest thing to decentralization crypto will ever be. All right. In some cases, more than others. You know, some of these privacy coins, Monero, Zcash, you know, some of these are a little bit better in that respects. But guys, I tried to go and access my Zcash Lite wallet. Apparently, you can't even get it in the United States anymore. So, you know, I have shielded fucking Zcash that I can't even get. So we got to stay mindful of what is going on, guys. That's why we're doing the video. So Ethereum Classic, Grayscale, I think it's going to go up tomorrow based on the fact that it's trading at such a discount against Ethereum, basically, because it's tied to the asset, guys. They have a large portion of the asset. I don't know what it breaks down to that Grayscale is holding, but it's what is it, like 300,000 out of 210 million, or not 210 million, 300,000 out of a market cap of 4 billion. So what is that? What is that? They have like 8% of the whole supply. So we got any math people in the chat? So it's a good chunk, guys. So we'll see how it does tomorrow. You know, no promises. Like I said, we just wanted to touch on the price because I do think Ethereum Classic, I'm incredibly bullish on it because of everything going on in it. You know, it's simple as that. So I'll wrap it up, guys. We'll catch you later. Take care.